Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. What is up, everybody? My voice is a little weird. It is morning where I am, but I wanted to do a quick little, I'm gonna try to make it like a 15-minute glam, just something I do when I just don't really feel like doing a lot of makeup. I did already put my brows on. To me, I feel like even when I'm not gonna be doing a full face of makeup, brows really make the face. I'm just doing my foundation. I'm still using the Fit Me shade, I need the lid, 102. But I really feel like brows just change everything. So if I'm not gonna be doing everything, I'll at least do like certain things, and brows is one of them. As you can see, my skin is clearing up just a little bit. So I'm forever grateful for that. I hope everyone's Memorial, I think it was Memorial Day, went well. I just hung out with family. We don't really do anything special. I know a lot of people have like barbecues and stuff. I actually didn't feel good yesterday. I had a migraine. So I'm ready for summer to be over. I'm a fall baby and I'm just ready for all the fall outfits and inspo and makeup. But the other day I did have a glam done, a date glam. And then I went to Starbucks and this guy was like, "Oh, I like your makeup, it's so fall." And I was just like, I didn't realize it was so fall, but you know, whatever. I will upload a tutorial on that one day, not yet, but one day, because I usually have like a go-to fail, or what do I want to say, a go-to foolproof date night makeup, you know, that look that you can just depend on and not be worried. And yeah, so I'm going in with foundation on a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. Really, for me, what makes a 15-minute glam, a quick glam, is not doing much with my eyes. I love eyeshadow. For me, I spend the most time on my eyes because I feel like I lost the lid. Ooh, how rude. Just focus on me. I feel like the eyes are the most captivating, so I usually spend the most time on them. So I went in with the more neutral shade from the Age Rewind, and then I went in with the lighter shade from the Fit Me. I can have those listed below, but it's the same ones that I've been using. As I stated before, I'm trying to be more conscious of the makeup that I'm buying. I just feel like it's so easy to get swept up into the hype of every new product that we buy them, and then, you know, like I've had full bottles of concealer just go bad because I bought a new concealer. And it's just wasteful. So we're just gonna be more conscious, that's it. Make sure to get in the crack of the nose. So I went ahead and concealed. I'm still going to bake, just because I like the longevity that it gives my concealer. I know I need to still upload my 21 Days of Beauty. That will be going up tomorrow. So I apologize. I know I'm a couple days late. Better late than never. This was the Aveda Translucent Powder, which you can tell has a yellow base to it. But as long as I don't leave it on too long, it is okay. So my eyes are gonna be quick, so I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm gonna do the Just Peachy mattes. I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush on this white shade, Peach Meringue, or Meringue. I'm so used to meringue. I'm gonna put this all over the lid. And I am going to bring it up under my brow. So this is just really going to help all the eyeshadow that you put on top blend smoothly. It's not going to get patchy or anything like that. We're going to go in with Peach Tea in the crease. You can see. And I am connecting it to the outer corner of my eye. I wanted to get my hair done today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I really just need to find a stylist. Like, I need a stylist. Like, working in a salon is really hard. You really can't get your hair done. You know, I'm normally like on time with my highlights, so trying to find a stylist, and it's hard. I'm just repeating the same step to the other eye. This is where we're at. I'm gonna use the same brush, I just wiped it off a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with Just Ripe, this purpley. I'm gonna swirl my brush in there a good amount, tap off the axis, and focus this on the outer corner, and bringing it in, whew. Just slightly, like not all the way, maybe a quarter of the way, and I'll go in again with that just to really deepen it up. You can see right there, beautiful. Do the same to the other side. Focusing it on the outer. I'm gonna wipe my brush off again. Grab some more of the Peach Tea and just refresh the crease a little bit. Blend it all together. I'm going to leave the lid clear for now. I'm gonna take a flat brush right here. I'm gonna take Peach Tea again and just run it on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna connect it on the outer right here so they connect. Same on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and, whoops, wipe off my bake. Is anyone else excited for fall? I just feel like fall, pumpkins, Halloween. It's all amazing. All amazing. I know I mentioned the date, but if you're wondering, I didn't, well, the date went well. The day after was a flop. So I'm gonna take a clear blending brush and just blend the outer. I feel like the day after a date is crucial. Like, what are you saying to me? Are you gonna tell me you had a good time? You know, what's going on? And if you drop the ball, you drop the ball. 1 second while I grab a glitter. I'll be right back. She's back. I'm gonna go ahead and use this mini Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow. And I'm just gonna use this little brush right here. It's a synthetic side. Pick up some of that. And right on the lid. This glitter is gorgeous. I get compliments every time I wear it. And people are always like, is it part of an eyeshadow palette? Unfortunately, no. But this mini, I think it was like $25. So it's, I feel like that's a good deal. So this is how we're looking. Really reflects in the sun, which is gorgeous. Okay. Moving on to face. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze a little bit. Taking the middle shade of Shadow Play. I'm just bronzing the skin. I do have a larger, well, face, head and forehead. So I make sure to just go to town. So I have to say, like, when I was working on my Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, you know, I was like, it was like okay, but I wasn't super impressed. Which I've seen some other YouTubers saying the same thing. And I feel like there have been years where they're like amazing, and some years where they're just like, okay. Today, or not today, but this year was one of those years where they're just okay. I'm like, it's okay. Not a lot. There wasn't a whole lot. But I still wanted to do 2 separate videos, keep them short. Makeup artist versus, you know, consumer. What am I going to be buying? Or what was I wanting to buy? I don't think I'm actually going to buy anything. Subconscious, I'm going to use that to contour. I also noticed that every year they switch off for Anastasia brows. One year they'll do Brow Wiz, the other year they'll do Brow Definer. Last year was Brow Wiz, and I know because I bought 3 or 4. And this year is Brow Definer. So I've just noticed that little pattern too. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up just right under my contour. While that works, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight using Natasha Denona Super Glow in the lightest shade. Right on the tops. I'm gonna just dab that in a little bit with a round brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit my nose with that too. And upper lip. And I do want to hit the inner corner of my eye. I'm creating just a little bit more definition on the eye. So I'm literally just going to take this dark shade Chocolate Dip. This is a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to dab it right on the outside. And I'm not going to bring it in. I'm not going to, I mean, I'll blend it into the spot, but I'm not moving it around. Boom. I am going to go ahead and wipe the bake off. I know it was quick, but I don't need it there long to do what I need. I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara off camera, and then we'll be done with the look. So this would be my quick glam, but we will check in when I'm done. I'll be right back. Bye. We are back. So I went ahead and did bottom mascara and top mascara. Let's see, ooh, if I could bring you guys in closer. This is the finished look. She's cute, she's simple. So this is my get ready 15-minute glam. You just want to look cute, but you don't want to spend all day. I would say a big focus on skin. As long as I have good coverage, even skin tone, my brows, my contour, and a little flush on the eyes, I feel very put together, much better than I would without any makeup at all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, tomorrow I will have my Ulta 21 Days of Beauty up with the few recommendations that I have. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye!